Hi, friends. I'm Coach Glennis, and I want to personally invite you to a free 30-minute wellness breakthrough session on Zoom. Why this matters? Here in the US, we don't really have a true healthcare system. We have a disease care system. It's reactive, not proactive, but you were never meant to live at the mercy of medications, symptoms, and quick fixes. God designed your body to heal, restore, and thrive. This session is your chance to step out of survival mode and step into vitality. What to expect on the call, you might be wondering. On this 30-minute Zoom call, here's what we'll do together. 1. Assess your goals. We'll uncover what matters most to you right now: balancing hormones, losing weight, boosting energy, building strength, or simply feeling vibrant again. 2. We'll evaluate what you're doing, what's working and what's not. We'll look at what you already tried, what's effective, and what needs adjusting. Number 3, we will pinpoint your biggest obstacle. Together, we'll reveal the number one thing that's been holding you back from feeling and looking your best. And lastly, you live with clarity and confidence. You'll walk away with direction and your next steps for better results. You may be wondering, why is it free? Because some women choose to work with me to implement the plan we create together. But even if that's not you, it's okay. You'll still live with powerful steps you can put into practice right away. Isn't just about avoiding illness. It's about creating a faith-fueled life of energy, joy, and purpose. That's the heartbeat: faith and prevention. Your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit if you're a believer. And when we care for it, we honor God and unlock more strength to serve, love, and live fully. Remember, prevention isn't just better than treatment, it's powerful and it is possible. So I'd love to invite you to book your free 30-minute wellness breakthrough session today. You will find in the description the link to do so. I want you to remember this. Thriving is so much better than just surviving. Let me help you take back the reins because your best years are still ahead. See you soon.